Here's the best way you can make 5 to 10K a month as a complete beginner. And all you need is a phone and a laptop. Honestly, don't worry about the high level of competition. There are billions of people globally in this market. I guarantee you 99% of people who are watching this video have already kept scrolling. Be sure to like and save this video for future reference and let me guide you through the process. This is called freelance digital marketing and I'm going to show you how you can set it up for yourself. Head over to digistore24.com and start for free. And select Marketplace on the top right corner. There are tons of different categories you can choose to pick a product. For this example, I'm gonna go for personal development. Find a product you like with a high rate commission. It is crucial to pick a popular product because it means the product is selling well and it will save you tons of time and effort. Also, it means the affiliates who are promoting that product are having success with it and the customers are getting good results. Once you pick your offer, click on Promote Now. This is gonna be your unique link to promote this offer. If someone purchased that product using your link, you will receive a commission. In this case, up to 80%. High ticket affiliate marketing is my personal favorite method and that's what I do. You can make $1,000 or more per